Hey YouTubers, good morning, it's Rob Moffat. Guys, this video is for people who have videos on their computer and they want to turn them into shorts. If you have regular long form videos and you want to turn them into shorts and they're not on your phone but they're on your computer, I haven't really seen any really cheap, inexpensive, super simple ways to do this. So I came up with something, actually several things. What I did is I took one of my videos that have a lot of views that would be worth turning into a short, and there it is, by the way. But first, I put the video on my computer monitor and I took out my phone that I used to film with or record videos with, put it on a tripod, focused it on my monitor, enlarged my screen, and then I recorded my video short off of my computer monitor. I used a wireless microphone hooked up to my phone and put the microphone close to my speakers. I didn't get a very good quality or as good as quality as I wanted, but it's still okay. Um, but what was really interesting is I discovered something else. I've been making videos as a variety channel for 16 years, got over 1,200 videos, all sorts of subjects every single week. And it's kind of difficult to go through each one to find out where is the part of the video that I want to make into a short. YouTube has done something really handy. If you look at the bottom of the screen of your videos, they show where in the video it was most replayed, most watched again. And in my case, it's 1 minute and 5 seconds. So when it comes time for me to make a short for any of my videos that I have on my channel, and I've got over 1,200, all I have to do is open up my video, look down here at the bottom, find what was the most popular, interesting part of the video, and just snag a few seconds and make a short. Once it's on the camera, I just send it to YouTube. This is what the short looks like that I did about this particular video.
I replace the back, I like to put this little arrow close to this part of the watch so I can pry it up. If I put it over here, it's harder to finagle and get open. Now, this has a little rubber, or it has a gasket around there. I'm not sure if it's rubber or not. Could be another type of material, Buna, Teflon, or it keeps the water and dust out.
So there is the short for this video. You can see here with a closed caption, this is the center of the video. So it helps align it when you're filming or recording your video on the monitor. Like I said, I'm not happy with the sound. It's adequate, but it's not nearly as good as the sound we have on the regular video.
This is what works for me. Whenever I replace the back, I like to put this little arrow close to this part of the watch so I can pry it up.
So basically I got out my tripod. By the way, if you don't have a tripod, my neighbor, next door neighbor, she has a channel. She's got tons of views. She films off of her television with a camcorder on top of cardboard boxes. And she gets thousands of views every time she posts a video. So if you don't have a tripod, don't let that stop you. You do want to get your speakers close to your camera, your phone, or use a wireless microphone. I have on my in my videos a review of several wireless microphones you can check out. So guys, I haven't seen anybody give this tip about using the most replayed to make your shorts. It's something that's so simple an idea. It's really brilliant, I think. I don't know how I came up with it. Okay. Well, I'm hearing a lot of unsubscribing. All right, guys. Hope this was helpful. I put on new stuff every week. It's a variety channel. One of the oldest, longest running weekly variety channels on YouTube, I think, is my channel. I've been doing it for 16 years. Every week. All right, guys. I think this is a cool tip. This is a very cool tip. If you've got a ton of videos that you need to make shorts out of, if you keep looking for programs and apps and all sorts of things, or using editors, I didn't use an editor. I just hooked up the camera, turned it on, sent it to YouTube, and I'm done. All right, guys, take care, and come watch my channel. I put stuff on all the time. All right, guys, take care. Bye-bye.